Machine learning is advancing rapidly, with each new model demanding careful interpretation for adaptation in earth science research. Addressing this challenge calls for improved tools that enable efficient and rigorous model comparison. That's why we built the AIDE Toolbox, an open-sourced machine learning framework for earth science problems, like anomaly detection, extreme event analysis, and impact assessment. AIDE is designed for the multidimensional structure of geoscience data, including temporal series, spatial maps, or spatial-temporal cubes. Given a dataset and the experiment specifications, AIDE lets you test a wide range of models, from classical ML to state-of-the-art deep learning architectures, and even integrate your own architectures and loss functions. The toolbox executes an end-to-end machine learning pipeline that produces a trained model automatically, which is optimized using validation data. Performance is assessed using evaluation metrics, complemented by multiple XAI methods and visual diagnostic tools. AIDE is a novel, open-source benchmarking suite for models designed to handle multidimensional data. Explore the toolbox, demos, and documentation in our GitHub.